This Halloween, in a world where a golf cart mechanic has been using an inferior, outdated charger, or forgot to charge, or forgot to water the batteries, maybe? I don't know. The cart has become undead! After seeing your obsolete charger and your plans to give out lame candy like those awful strawberry hard candies in Grandma's purse, or those wafers that look like a roll of quarters, or even worse, boxes of raisins or something, the golf cart fell into the pit of
The pit of despair. The club car had to come up with its own costume at the last minute and go trick-or-treating alone, and it got a rock. Now it's cursed with undead anger because the only thing scarier than using your old heavy charger are the atrocities in your candy bowl. Imagine the terror as screams of zoinks and jinkies and other scary cartoon references from the 70s ring out across your property as you are ruthlessly pursued at incredibly low speed by this villainous monster. So stop by golfcartgarage.com this Halloween for a Summit 2 model charger, free shipping, great service, even advice on good candy. Happy Halloween from your friends at Golf Cart Garage.